Tomorrow, the 4th of August, SpaceX is having its first financial results meeting. And I thought it would be good to remind everybody that there is a major complex here at Bastrop, Texas, just to the east of Giga Texas and across the street from the Boring Company. And there is a ton of construction that is going on here, and much of that will be playing a key role for the financial results of SpaceX. Now, I haven't been able to fly here for a while. That's because the people that work around the SpaceX complex here have asked for no drones to be flown. I am trying to work through that, and hopefully I'll get some permission. But in the meantime, I thought I would do a drive-by a couple of times just so that we can get a update on what is going on here. Now, this is the main road on the left-hand side of the screen with all of the construction is much of this new infrastructure that is being put in by SpaceX. And we'll talk a little bit about what this is, but as you can tell, it's a pretty substantial structure. Most of it's being built with concrete columns and walls. And it's also about two different facilities in one building. And this is going to be playing a huge role with the increase in the number of satellites, both Starlinks and the AI data center satellites that SpaceX is planning on doing. Now, coming up, this is the Starlink, the terrestrial part of the system manufacturing center. This was originally half the size that you see right now. It has been doubled in size over the last couple of years. And this, again, makes all the dishes, the Starlink Minis, the Starlink version 5s, and everything else that would serve on the ground for the customers. Next to that is a new parking garage that has been built right behind the tree. And then coming into view is another gigantic warehouse. This is for AI satellites and development. And as you can tell, it is currently under construction and has quite a ways to go, but is well on its way to being completed. So I'm going to go back to different sites, and I will show you a little bit more information and a little bit more ground views of what is going on here at Bastrop today, the 3rd of August. So here's a bird's eye view of the site, and this is prior to all of the major construction that is now underway or will be happening soon. You can see the main Starlink terrestrial factory right in the upper left, and on the bottom right, kind of in that yellow highlighted area, that is the Boring Company. In fact, that was the first facility here at the site. Now, I mentioned there's a lot of construction coming up, so I think I will let SpaceX and Elon tell you a little bit more about what is planned.
In fact, we already have the solar manufacturing facility. It's under construction already. And then we will be building out the AI sat production building soon. Yeah, so we expect to have the AI sat production, the solar production, and all of that operating at some reasonable volume by the end of next year.
Now that you know a little bit about what SpaceX plans, let's talk about some of the facilities that are currently there. You can see the Boring Bodega next to the Boring Company. This is part of Hyperloop Plaza. It's a community center open to the public, and you can go there for lunch and a lot of other things. Next door is the ex-headquarters building. It is still there, and I think it's being repurposed for a few other functions. You can see that University of Texas, Austin has an engineering lab in the blue section that is also nearly completed. And at the top of the screen is the AI satellite production facility, which is yet to be started. We can also see the parking garage in green and that warehouse AI sat development site. Those parts are under construction right now, and I'll show you those in detail in just a minute. And of course, the solar cell ingots and wafers and the solar cell factory, that is also well under construction, and that is what Elon had mentioned, that work is already underway, and that is a massive facility. Altogether, all of these facilities combined, at least the ones for SpaceX, will add up to over 11 million square feet of production capability. So let's take a closer look at the AI satellite production facility site and what it looks like right now. Of course, it's just a green field with a silt fence at the bottom of the screen indicating that construction is going to be happening fairly soon, as they've got that all marked off. That's where that dirt road is located as well. As I zoom in, you can see across this construction site where the other construction is underway, and the satellite, the Starlink facility for the dishes is already in place. And of course, in view there is that warehouse for the AI SAT development under construction already. So this is going to be an enormous construction site once it begins. Moving over to that warehouse AI SAT development and parking garage site, we're going to drive by it. Sadly, I can't fly the drone yet, but this is what it looks like if you were to be driving in on this highway. Now, this highway goes right between the Boring Company and the Boring Bodega on the left-hand side of the screen, and on the right is all of the SpaceX facility. What you see here is that warehouse under construction right now. Looks like half of it already has the walls. They don't have the windows in, but they do have much of the structure. And then the next half is under steel assembly right now. As we pass the water tank, you can start to see right behind this fence and where the tree is, where the parking garage has been constructed. And of course, that's going to help with a lot of the cars that are going to be here because of the number of workers they are hiring. As we pass the parking garage, we're going to see the main Starlink terrestrial factory, the one that has doubled in size. And that is what is behind the tree on the right with that black kind of swooping glass. This is on both corners, and it's also have a window line amongst the white on the right. You can see the fence and also the parking garage, or the parking spots, right in front of that factory. And on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see the Boring Company, and that is that rounded top facility is actually the first structure that was here many years ago. And finally, the solar cell ingots, wafers, and solar cell factory. This is the one that is well under construction now. You can see it with all of the concrete off to the right, some of the cranes that are busy with the assembly. And this is almost like two separate buildings combined into one, just by the shape of it and what the floor plan looks like from what SpaceX has with the architectural drawings and the construction itself. You can see how close it is to the road, and it is quite expansive. This is one of the major facilities that are going to be crucial for some of the big plans for SpaceX into the future that we heard about at the financial results meeting. So as we zoom back out, look at the entire structure, all of the facilities, this is what it looks like currently, in addition to all of the other facilities that are there. Looking at the SpaceX rendering, this gives you a really good idea of what it will look like architecturally, and just amazing amount of construction, and it's kind of hard to put into scale, but I would say that for those of you that follow what I've been showing at Giga Texas with all of its construction, this is in the same order of magnitude. So this is a gigantic amount of construction, a lot of production capability that SpaceX is adding, and all of this is key for their plans in the future, including the move to AI orbital data centers, and of course increasing the number of satellites on orbit. So anyway, I hope that you found this helpful and useful, despite the fact that I can't fly a drone yet. But anyway, this is the most updated information I think out there about Bastrop and what's going on with SpaceX with their construction. So I hope that you enjoyed what I was able to show you.